Horse chestnut. Horse chestnut cream, which is beneficial for seizures and cramps. We have researched for you what is curious about the horse chestnut, which is completely different even if it resembles the known chestnut. Horse chestnut, which contains powerful vitamins and minerals, is the most used food in alternative medicine. Horse chestnut, which regulates blood circulation, also benefits skin diseases. So what are the benefits of horse chestnut? Horse chestnut, which is made as a natural medicine, is good for chest pain and varicose veins. In addition, the skin heals from the surface to the subcutaneous tissue. Alternative medicine experts have determined that this natural remedy completely cures varicose veins and hemorrhoids. The seeds of horse chestnut, which are grown in special areas in North America and Europe and sent to pharmaceutical companies, are used as raw materials in most cold medicines. The tree, which is grown as an ornamental plant, rises up to 30 meters. It contains thick oil, esculin, saponin, tannin, starch, sugar, albuminous substances, flavones, phytosterine, adenosine, ferments, coumarin, vitamins B1, C, K and P. It relieves body aches. It relaxes the muscles. It consists of a double layer of chestnut with a prickly bark. It has a fleshy fruit inside. It is collected in August. Vitamin P is found in nature in few foods. However, horse chestnut is very rich in vitamin P. Horse chestnut, which came to our land centuries ago via the Silk Road and was produced, is an effective beauty product used by wealthy Chinese women in skin care. The crushed oil renews the skin. It delays aging. Therefore, it is also used in the cosmetic industry. It is a strong pain reliever. When applied to the jugular vein, it regulates blood flow. It instantly cuts off body pain. It supports the regeneration of the skin by passing to the lower layer of the skin. What does horse chestnut oil do? Horse chestnuts contain an excessive amount of essential oil. Horse chestnut, which has a powerful healing oil, is used especially for regulating blood circulation. This increases the functionality of capillaries. Increasing air pollution and unhealthy diet in recent years have caused the increase of skin problems. Horse chestnut oil is one of the natural ways to prevent this. Horse chestnut oil, which is especially used for spot treatment, also provides benefits in hemorrhoids. What are the benefits of horse chestnut? It removes inflammatory infections accumulated in the body due to unhealthy diet and environmental factors in a short time. It prevents possible diseases. Thanks to the astringent substances it contains, it closes the pores caused by sweat glands or acne in acne. It also removes scars. It relieves pain caused by rheumatism or inflammation in the joints and bones. When the jugular vein is applied to the forehead and soles of the feet, it regulates the blood circulation in the body and supports better transmission of the nerves to the brain. It prevents chronic stress and fatigue. In addition, since it regulates blood circulation, it prevents clogging of the veins. It eliminates capillary cracking caused by sitting in the same position all the time or due to genetic problems. It is especially effective in the treatment of capillaries on the face. Thanks to the apigenin it contains, they recover the sagging skin. It prevents aging by preventing wrinkles. Since horse chestnut cream applied to the chest softens this area, it ensures that the cough ends in a short time. It accelerates healing by creating a tonic effect, especially in diseases such as varicose veins, phlebitis, and hemorrhoids. It makes sweating because it is applied under the armpits. It removes toxins from the body with sweating. Thus, it prevents upper respiratory tract diseases. It is also known to be good for hemorrhoids in the breech area. The oil prevents hair loss. It also promotes skin regeneration and removes blemishes. It allows the movement of the kidneys. How is horse chestnut cream prepared? Peel and beat half a kilo of horse chestnut. Add a bottle of apple cider vinegar and leave it for 20 to 25 days in an area that is not exposed to the sun. Then you can apply it to your aching area. Horse chestnut is applied at least once a day. For hemorrhoids, 1 tablespoon of horse chestnut powder, 1 teaspoon of rosehip powder, 1 teaspoon of sunflower oil, 1 tablespoon of ozone oil. Boil all the ingredients in a saucepan. Apply the mushy mixture to the hemorrhoids in a warm state. How to make horse chestnut tea. The peel can be boiled and consumed. A tablespoon of crushed shells is added to 3 glasses of water and boiled. This water, which is kept for 2 hours, can be drained and consumed. It is good for diseases such as sudden fever, indigestion, esophageal cancer, and colds. Purple carrot. Purple carrot, also known as black carrot, is a powerful antioxidant. This type of carrot, which is used in the production of turnips, provides one-to-one benefits against diseases. Purple turnip, which is often used in winter, is grown in the Middle East. We have added the details of the news about purple carrots, which are a storehouse of vitamins and minerals. What are the benefits of purple carrots? Carrot, which is one of the underground nutrients, has thousands of varieties on Earth, depending on the soil it grows in. Although the orange one is consumed frequently, the purple one is becoming more and more common nowadays. Rich in antioxidants, purple carrots are mostly grown in the Middle East. Specially produced purple carrots are used in pickles. Purple carrot, which benefits eye and stomach diseases, is a food that has been consumed in alternative medicine for centuries. 2 of the purple carrots, which have more alpha and beta-carotenes than orange carrots, easily meet the B vitamin complex that the body needs. Turnip and salad are made from purple carrots, which are widely consumed in central Anatolia. What are the benefits of purple carrot? Purple carrot, which is effective in removing toxins from the blood as it contains oxidative, reduces the risk of cardiovascular diseases. In addition to reducing bad cholesterol levels, it also prevents health problems such as sudden stroke and stroke by controlling blood pressure. It provides the B vitamin complex that the body needs in one go. This vitamin complex provides regeneration of cells, especially in organs. It also increases their functionality, preventing them from taking damage. The most important feature that distinguishes purple carrot from other foods is anthocyanin substance. This substance provides antioxidant properties. It is the same as the substance and ratio found in purple carrots. This reduces the number of free radicals in the body. It prevents cells from mutating. Its antioxidant property also affects brain health on its own. While it ensures the renewal of the cells in the brain, it reduces the risk of catching the forgetfulness disease, which will cause mental regression, which is likely to be experienced in later ages. Being high in calories helps to lose weight, not to gain weight. It also increases the energy of the body and accelerates the burning of fat. Studies have shown that people who regularly consume purple carrots lose the healthiest weight. Intestinal problem is one of the digestive diseases. In particular, inflammation and the decrease in the number of flora reduce the functionality of the intestines. Diseases such as inflammatory are also seen as a result of this fall. Inflammatory disease, which is a serious disease, can lead to bowel cancer. However, purple carrots are very rich in fiber, which increases the functionality of the intestines. It even prevents the occurrence of problems such as constipation. Purple carrot is also an effective food in eliminating edema in the body. It also prevents aging. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and support the videos. I wish you to be healthier.